My name is Ken Getz, and this is Robert Green. We're both senior consultants with MCW Technologies, and we've been asked by AppDev to present this course, Introducing WPF. We both love to dig into new technologies, so we're ready to go.
We'll start with an introduction to the technology, giving an overview of when and why you should use it, showing, as always, the obligatory Hello World application. We'll move on to discussing XAML layout, a very important concept that applies to everything else we do in the course.
We must, of course, introduce the basic controls to get you started. So we'll move on to the march of the controls, discussing many of the tools that every developer needs, including text block, text box, checkbox, border, and more controls. Then we'll do the same for some more complex controls, including list box, combo box, grid, and more.
We'll discuss styles and resources, so you can make your applications look more consistent and appealing. And we'll also look into navigation within applications, so you can move from one part of an application to another.
We'll end with a look at binding. First at binding properties of objects together, and then at working with data. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. Modern applications require a modern user interface. On the other hand, applications you create using Windows Forms, the standard user interface design package that Visual Studio has provided for forever, look little different than applications written using tools you might have used in 1995. It's time for a new paradigm for building client applications, and Windows Presentation Foundation, or WPF, provides that new way of thinking about and creating applications. If you're a seasoned Windows Forms developer, getting used to WPF may take some effort, but in the end, it's really just more of the same in a richer, more complete package. In this section, I'll introduce the basics of working with WPF, and we'll walk through creating some